Today we are making Korean chicken soup with scorched rice. It looks like a special occasion dish, but it's surprisingly easy to make at home. Just add rice, chicken, vegetables, and let the rice cooker do the rest. Simple, comforting, and full of flavor. And at the end of the video, we'll celebrate my brother-in-law's birthday with some Korean beef. Let's get started. Samgyetang is one of Korea's most famous health foods. People often eat it during the summer to help them stay energized in the hot weather. For people who make it at home, there are also convenient herbal soup packs like the one we're using in this video. They contain many of the ingredients traditionally used in samgyetang. If you live outside Korea, you might be able to find them at a Korean grocery store or an Asian supermarket. I've lived in Korea my whole life, so I can't say for sure, but I think there's a good chance you'll find them there, especially during the summer. I don't know how common this is in other countries, but in Korea people sometimes use rice cookers for all kinds of recipes. I've heard it's quite common in Japan too. Personally, I've even tried baking a castella cake in a rice cooker before. And wow, doesn't that chicken and scorched rice look amazing? Scorched rice is called nurungji in Korean. It's the crispy layer of rice that sticks to the bottom of the pot. In today's dish, the scorched rice has absorbed some of the chicken broth, which probably makes it even more delicious. There is also a simple dipping sauce that people often enjoy with dishes like this. The ingredients are very simple, so I highly recommend making the sauce too. It goes especially well with rich or oily food. The cucumber dish you're seeing now is tteokbokki, a Korean cucumber kimchi. I recently uploaded a video about it, so if you're interested, you can check out the link on the screen. And in a moment, I'll show you some clips from my brother-in-law's birthday celebration. They went out for Korean barbecue.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Maybe happiness is something like this. It doesn't have to be anything special. I hope your life is also filled with moments like this. And honestly, your support means a lot to me. So if you enjoyed today's video, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time.